Welcome. We are Biomoda from Universidad Anáhuac, Mexico, and today we are going to presenting our innovate and sustainable algae-based biocolors project. Our project is dedicated to the development organic dyes using genetically modified algae to produce exclusive colors inspired by the natural beauty of Mexico. Today, we will discuss our project proposal business model and reasons why we should advance to acceleration phase of the whole price content.
The textile and dyeing industry has a significant environmental impact throughout its entire business ecosystem, from production and distribution to procurement, care, laundering, and disposal. Chemical pollution in the fashion industry exacerbates this issue. Our project consists of 6 essential steps: research and selection of algae species, design and construction of photobioreactors, optimization of growth and production, pigment extraction and purification, product development and commercialization.
All focuses on utilizing microorganisms to address chemical pollution and reduce the environment impact of the fashion industry. Aligning with the whole price competition pillars of the fashion industry, sustainable development, goals, and synthetic biology. Our business model is centered around selling organic dyes to various industries and consumers. We could generate revenue through product sales, licensing agreements, and collaborations. Our strengths include differentiation, sustainability, quality, and expansion potential, while our weakness involve technology dependence, competition, and initial cost.
Our next steps include developing and prototype, gathering feedback, refining our solution, and building partnerships and collaboration to establish our brand. We believe our startup should advance the accelerator phase for the following reasons: innovate solution, market potential, strong business model, competitive advantage, team expertise, potential impact.
We aim to replicate colors inspired by Mexican culture identification, such as Mexican pink, that comes from a cochineal insect consisting of dried bodies of Dactylopus coccus insect, which then is crushed and mixed with different ingredients to give us this color. Cempasúchil orange, that the marigold, a characteristic flower of Day of the Dead altars in Mexico, also give us a wide variety of shades that can be yellow, orange, or even ochre. Different communities boil these flowers to extract their colors. Green flag, and this color consists of photosynthetic pigments. These are a mixture of substances that can be separated by a chemical technique called chromatography. This technique is based on the different degree of solubility of the different pigments in alcohol, and we can obtain different varieties of green. Then mystic purple. It comes from the Plycopurpura panza snail, which comes from the Pacific coast. When this snail goes into defensive mode, it generates an ink that, when exposed to oxygen and light, takes on this distinctive purple hue that we obtain. Mexican red, also a cochineal insect, when it's crushed and mixed with an acid, gives us that characteristic red Mexican color, which was used to dress the high society, and it represents blood, fire, and sun rays in Aztec culture. Mayan blue, obtained from añil leaves, which are left to rest in water to extract the color. From this, you can get different shades of blue and turquoise. Its name comes from the Mayan culture, since it was used mainly in Yucatan, Mexico.
Well, there's the 3 steps that we have to do to start the process. First of all, to identify the substance of interests. Then we have to identify the source of the organism that we are going to replicate to obtain the color. And finally, a selection of a compatible microorganism, such as bacteria, that can replicate themselves and obtain the color and all the quantities that we need to supply.
Our project directly addresses the following sustainable development goals. Goal 6, clean water and sanitation. Goal 12, responsible production and consumption. By providing sustainable alternative to synthetic dyes, our project contributes to a cleaner environment and responsible production practice.
Thank you for joining us today. We believe our sustainable algae-based biocolors project has the potential to revolutionize the dye industry and contribute to a greener future. We look forward to taking this journey together and creating a lasting impact on our environment and society. Thank you.